So I decided, instead of shrink wrapping the standoffs, I found these plastic as take place as a standoff, and they're a little bit longer. I don't think I have to grind them down any. I'm just gonna try them like that. I'll just get a little bit of a longer standoff. So I'm gonna do that. I did it to this one side. I'm gonna do it to the other side here. I can get in there. I did have to drill out the hole a little bit on them. Push it back on there. Once I do this, I'll mount it back on and do it the other side, and then I will fire it up, go for a ride, see how it's running on all cylinders.